Okay, kids, pay attention. We're going to teach you what to not do. I'm Clint Grover with Never Done Industries, and today we're getting glass in the 71 F100 father-son's truck build. All right, so the boys aren't here. They're off because of this whole pandemic thing. They're at their mother's house. However, this can't wait. We got to get it done so we can get rocking on some stuff that they can help with. I'm not going to put the glass in. I got my buddy Chris from Chris's Paint and Glass coming out to do it. He's going to do the windshield and the back window. We got a tinted slider for the back. It's a 4-piece, so it slides like that, and then just a regular windshield. But I'm going to film the process so that you guys can see how it happened, and so that the boys can see how it happened since they're not here. So we're waiting for Chris to get here. When he gets here, I'll show you guys what we got to do. So for those of you watching at home, for these, the rubber has to go on it first, and then this little channel here, get it set in there. So you just sit that up in that channel and then pull it up and it sucks it down in.
Yeah,
that's cool. Do you have to do it that way, or can you like force it in?
you can force it with your finger, like if you just went down and bought a piece of rope. Always use nylon because it's a little tougher. But this tool just makes it easy.
So it's like a screwdriver with a hole in the end of it.
Pretty much, it's just a hollow tube that goes all the way through the handle.
Okay.
And then as you pull it, the rope just comes through it.
Okay, it's just you spraying on there, just a glass
cleaner, just for.
So you got the rope in the channel.
Like I'm having him spray the pinch weld too, just the better lube up it is, the easier it goes in.
Let's see. We'll get it nice and slippery. And this is where the magic happens here.
Kids, don't try this at home. Pay the professionals.
What are you trying to say? That's what they're here instead of me trying to do this, because I'd end up having to buy 2 pieces of glass.
Backwards.
It's fast. Looks good. Starting to look like a truck. It's hard to tell because I've got light coming in the window over there, but that glass is tinted. We're going to end up having all the glass tinted. There you go. We got a slider in the middle. That way we can get some airflow coming through here in the summer when it's hot. Next up is the windshield, and this one on these is very difficult, according to Chris, for this reason right here, because it's square on the corners instead of being round like the Chevys are round. But in these Fords, the glass is almost square, and so that makes it much, much more difficult. So this will be the same deal?
Yeah.
Use the rope, put it on there, grease her up, and then start the fight, huh?
Pretty much. Sometimes these go decent, and sometimes they're. Right there looks good. Just kind of try to line up the insides to where the rubber's about showing equal distance on the sides.
Okay.
And then you want to push in a little on the bottom, not too much. Oh. So this is the tough part. It goes in, but you always have to push this down when you're done. Sometimes you have to, yeah. Sometimes if it's really, you'll run into a lot of these, they're pretty bent up.
Okay.
So you usually have to take this hook and pull it and push it. Sometimes yours isn't that bent up.
Yeah.
So it's not making it that difficult. Pull down a little bit on the cup too, Brooklyn.
So we're going to strap from the bottom of the seat up to that suction cup and ratchet it to pull some pressure on that glass to get it to seat beautifully. Get her in there nice and tight so you don't get any leaks or anything. That's a pro tip. If you're not a pro, don't try it.
A little bit of pressure goes a long way. There it is.
It's starting to look like a truck. All right, we officially have a windshield and a back window in the 71 F100 father-son's truck build. Now it's still cold out here. It's winter time in Idaho. I've got the shop up to about, or the garage up to about 55 degrees with the little space heaters. But this rubber here is going, and it's trying to go like that because it's cold. And so that's why we got this tape on here trying to kind of hold it down, and I'm gonna let the heaters keep going so that it can kind of settle into place. So that is the end of this video. If you liked it, drop a like. If you got something to say, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our new videos and you can watch this thing get built the rest of the way. Thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Got a built 460 and it's supercharged, 12 inches of lift, large and in charge. Keep my cowboy hat tilted to the side. Country thug giving him a hell of a ride. Now you see me fly by, got the 44 spinning mud.